My name is Yeukai Taruvinga, and I'm the founder and chief executive for Active Horizons. So Active Horizons is a youth-led organization that supports children and young people in the community. I set it up back in 2006 as a young refugee, and I had to find my feet. And having also met other young people in similar circumstances, I felt we needed to solve our problems. And that is what inspired me to set up Active Horizons. It started around 8 young people initially, and over the years, over 3,000 young people have come through our doors. So our main ethos is around building leadership. So we believe that every young person is a leader in their own right, and we want to build that capacity so that they excel and thrive. We also run social action training, but also we work in schools. So one of the key issues is around tackling racism in schools. We also work on areas around youth entrepreneurship. Us as refugees, when we come, we already have ideas, or we already have talents. We're just as human as any other. It's important for us to get that support. Support like this, I think, are key so that the world hears positive stories about refugees. I think the great benefits that the refugee community brings is a lot. Creativity, a lot of ideas. We have nurtured a lot of young people who have gone out to do amazing things, and we have also grown the local economy. Yeah, I think everybody has got capabilities from wherever we're coming from, and it's positive.